Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Learning and Development Center. Today's video is about IELTS 5 steps to success. Here we have the 5 steps in order to get successful in the IELTS examination. Number 1, Enquiry. Contact details for all IELTS test centers worldwide can be found at IELTS.org, where you can also download the application form. Number 2 is registration. Read through all the information you receive with the application form carefully. Complete the paper application form or online registration and submit it to your nearest test center. You will need to enclose the test fee or make the payment online. Make sure you enter the number of your identity document, that is your passport or national identity card, and attach a clear color photocopy or scanned copy of your identity document to the application form. The identity document must be valid at the time of registration, and the same ID document must be presented on the day of the test. Step number 3, confirmation. The test center will give you written confirmation of the date and time of the test. Your speaking test time will be scheduled on the same day as the written test or on a different day within a 7-day window before or after the written test. The test center will confirm your speaking test time. Step number 4, test day. Your identity will be checked on the day of the test and before the speaking test. You must present the same identity document that you used when you registered for the test, and that usually is a passport. Your photograph will be taken as an additional security measure, and it will appear on your IELTS test report form. In addition, a finger scan may be taken. Step number 5, results. Results will be available 13 days after the test. At some test centers, test takers can collect their results on the 13th day. At other test centers, results are mailed to test takers on the 30th day. Test centers are not permitted to give results out over the phone or by scan or email, as I have already mentioned in my earlier videos. A preview of your results is available online 13 days after the test. Results will remain online for 28 days. Please note that the online preview of your results should not be used as an official confirmation of your performance. So that's all about IELTS 5 steps to success. Now I request you to please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.